Hi kids, I'm Zookeeper Zipp, and this is our awesome dinosaur show. As always, I have my best friend Bruno with me. Say hi, Bruno. Hi, Bruno. Today's dinosaur is super cool. It starts with an S and is known for its triangle-shaped plates on its back. It's a turtle. Not quite, Bruno. Turtles do have shells on their backs, but the answer is Stegosaurus. Can you say Stegosaurus? Steg-o-saur-us. Stegosaurus. Stegosaurus. Good job, Bruno. The Stegosaurus lived in the late Jurassic period in Asia and Western America. Time travel. I wish we could, Bruno. Which reminds me, Professor Fez gave me a new gadget. It's a time simulator. I guess I press this button right here. Whoa! Amazing! Wow, the time simulator really works. Look, Bruno, a real Stegosaurus. He's big. He's about the size of a bus, Bruno. 9 meters, or 30 feet long, and 4 meters, or 14 feet tall. They weigh about 2 tons, or as much as a car. It's a lizard. Funny you should say that, Bruno. The word Stegosaurus means roofed lizard. The Stegosaurus is a plant eater, which means herbivore. Can you say herbivore? Herb-a-vor. Herbivore. Eat salad. That's right, Bruno. They eat lots of salad all day long and are the first dinosaur to have cheeks. Look at that tail, Bruno. Ouch. That would hurt. They use that tail to smash other dinosaurs. It's called a thagomizer. Can you say thagomizer? Thag-o-mize-er. Thagomizer. The Stegosaurus didn't do more than eat and look cool. Probably why their brain was the size of a walnut. Oh no, Bruno. That was a close call. There was a big dinosaur coming. It sounded like a T-Rex. Phew, that was really scary, Bruno. Okay, kids, that ends today's show, but we'll be back next week with more dinosaurs and more learning fun. Say bye, Bruno. Bye, Bruno.
Pie.